afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Ashley, Abhiram. Good afternoon, Alfie. Hi, Praneet. We will wait for one more friend. Good to see you all today. Had your lunch? Here we go. We are waiting for one more friend here. It is 1:45 now. We will start. Okay? So, good afternoon, everyone. You can unmute yourself. Okay, you all can unmute yourself. No worries. Okay. Now, before we start making the dessert, I want you to clean your working area. Make sure you wipe it. I saw Alfie doing it just now. Okay, wipe your table. Okay, the tabletop. Wash your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. And what I used to do is that I actually wash all the items like the can, because you find this in the supermarket laying up there in a rack for how many weeks, how many months, we don't know. So never mind. Make sure that you have washed this. Okay, Zenhe is here. Good afternoon. We just started. Okay, firstly, my first instruction was to clean your working area, clean the tabletop, wash your hands, and also wash the cans. Okay, so I want you to first present your items and ingredients on the table. Okay, as I told you, you have to get someone's help, father, mother, and adult, to cut this for you. Okay, you are done with it? Okay, please have them presented on a table. Okay, the mixed cocktail, condensed milk, any brand will do. Whip. Take a bowl like this. Can you see a bowl? Okay, and then colander and a huge mug or cup. Okay, get them ready. Okay, so you're ready with a bowl, colander, huge mug, and the cocktail can. I want you to, don't do it now, okay? Listen first. You will have to drain out the syrup. We are not using the syrup. You will drain out the syrup and wait for a while until the syrup is fully drained. We will be using the fruits only. Okay, you can do now. I'm just worried that I will make a mess over here, so I am going to use the soup spoon to drain out the fruits. You have to wait for a few seconds for the soup to fully, for the syrup to fully drain. And then take the fruits that you have already drained from the syrup, put it in the bowl. Okay, put it in the bowl. Okay, you may now take the whipping cream. Okay, please listen carefully. If you have used the whole can of mixed fruit cocktail, you have to use the small packet, the whole packet of whipping cream. If you only used half of the mixed fruit cocktail, you use half packet of whipping cream. Don't do now. Listen first, because you are going to record the third video. Okay, you will record a third video now. What you have to do is that, remember, if you use the full mixed fruit cocktail can, you have to use the whole packet of the whipping cream. Please show to me if you're using a small one or large one. Okay, if you're using one whole, you have to use one whole. I'm going to use half of it because I'm doing half by half. I have another session later, so that's why. So I want you to make the so I will mix the whipping cream. And mix it. Looks like this. Mix. Mix it well. Okay, you can add a little bit more. Okay. Mix. Done. So just make sure that the fruits are fully coated with the whipping cream. Now I'm going to add condensed milk. Okay, we are not going to add the whole thing, only half of it. If you think your family members do not prefer sweet desserts, you can add 1/4 of the condensed milk. If you think sweet is fine, all of them are okay with it, you can add half of the condensed milk. Now I am going to add half of the condensed milk and mix it again. Mix finely until the fruits are fully coated with the condensed milk. This is your 4th video. You may go on and record now. Milk. We'll add half of it. Get ready with your small containers. Remember, I asked for small containers like this. Yeah. So you will use a tablespoon to fill the small containers with the fruit salad that you just made. Okay, you can make it full or you can make it right. We are ready with the small containers. Now I'm going to put the mixed fruit dessert into the small containers. Okay, be very careful. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let's not waste. So when you see the milky texture here, see it's coming, it's floating up here. So you may take it and also put there. So you will have a container full. See? So it looks like this. Okay. Alright. Mine is full. Okay, you actually have an option. If you have cherry, you can put it on top of this as a topping, and then you can cover it. You have to now keep in the fridge for 2 hours. Don't keep in the freezer where your parents keep meat. Okay, you have to keep in the fridge where you store cold drinks. So store for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dessert is ready to serve. Okay, enjoy the delicious, quick and delicious fruit dessert. And we call it Pinoy fruit salad. Pinoy fruit salad. Enjoy.